Hey everybody, it's Jay here and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll talk about the number one mistake that authors do while advertising their books, and it costs them a lot of money. And then, they try to figure out why this is happening, with them, right? Although there are many mistakes that one can do, but I'll try to cover the sort of the top mistake that I see authors making in their advertising account. I know you must be struggling yourself with the ads, thinking that you're doing everything right, and why still it's not working out. Probably this video could be of some help, so do see it till the end. So it happened probably, I think, 4 to 5 months back. One of my old authors, who started doing his own ads, and after we sort of settled his account, and then he said, you know what, I can take over this account. So he came back to us about 4 months back, and then he said, you know what, Jack, I don't know why Amazon has billed me $500 a month. It was meant to be about $100 a month. Can you please help me? So I said, of course, and we don't shy away, you know, with help. So we looked into his account, and we quickly realized that what has went bad in there. So there were two main things. First was, and this is the sort of the top error that people make, is the budget on the campaign. So he was running some campaigns and they were not performing per se, and he has budgeted the campaign, those campaigns, at $50 a day. Now he assumed that it's not working. There's not much happening within the campaign. It's okay to keep $50. So what happened was, after maybe few days, it suddenly kicked up. That can happen. Even a dead campaign can be live and start delivering. Right. So it kicked up, and he didn't realize that, because he was assuming that it'll never happen. So he kept the budget as $50, and the campaign started charging $50 a day, and he still didn't realize that. And it is after about 2 weeks, he came back to us wondering what's happening, and then we realized that. Your campaign budget is set too high, and this is the biggest mistake I see with authors. I always say, start with 5. If it's working, then increase it to 10. If it's getting out of budget and the numbers are what you want, right? It's not like it's getting out of budget and there's no orders and I just increase the budget. No, not at all. So you start with 5 and slowly gradually increase to 10. And once you are in a sort of a situation where it's self running, you have to be really careful of your monthly budget as well. If my entire budget is $200, I can't have 6 campaigns with $50 as a campaign level budget. It'll go out of budget. I mean, I'll go out of my budget for the entire AMS. So that is critical to balance. And as I said, it should be minimum $5, and then you increase gradually. Right, and if you have more campaigns, then you have to spread that budget across the campaigns, right, so that every campaign should get a bit of a budget to run and explore, right? So in his case, we told him that reduce the budget to 5, and he was shocked to see that, okay, still running at $50. And the other thing was, within those campaigns, there were a lot of targets that were having more than 10 clicks, and they were consuming money on a regular basis without giving the orders. There were targets which had about 100 clicks, and they were about $50 spent against that with no orders, right? So we told him, delete or shut down all the targeting that has more than 10 clicks and no orders. That's the right place to shut down. We don't go beyond 10. If a target didn't sell at 10, it's not working out, so let's just shut down and move on, right? So we did those sort of an adjustments. He was happy that it starts to sort of coming down at a normal sort of range. So if you are sort of making losses currently in your campaigns, and it's if you feel that it's not working out, probably it's one of those things that you need to look into, right? And you probably would see that, okay, this is now sort of stabilize, right? So I hope this video is helpful, and I hope that you won't make a mistake that my author made. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. You'll be notified for all my future videos. And if you're currently struggling with ads, I'm happy to meet with you in a quick strategy session. I love to meet different authors. I love to look at different ad accounts, and it's a learning opportunity for me as well. So if it's not working, pick a slot using my calendar link in the description, and we can set up some time to meet, right? And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.